A bird's-eye view of the SkyMor Cypress Apartments reveals rows of long gable-roof homes. A resort-style pool with ledge loungers and a picnic area with tables along a pathway are just some of the many amenities available to residents. Prevalent in the homes is vinyl plank flooring. The kitchen features an island counter that doubles as a breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops are installed therein. Inset in the living area's back wall is a door that opens to a patio or balcony. Natural light streams through the windows across the area. In the bedrooms, a combination fan and light fixture hangs from the ceiling. The bathrooms feature a full-length shower stall and a vanity with under-sink cabinetry. Each home has a yard with a manicured lawn. The homes are arranged side by side in long rows. Highlighted in an empty home are the recessed ceiling lights in the kitchen, dining, and hallway areas. Select homes feature a study, with entrance therein through a glass paneled door. In one of the bathroom models, the shower is installed within partial walls. The walk-in closets are enormous, relatively speaking, with built-in shelving. The homes are installed with a full-size washer and dryer. In the backyard is a paved patio that faces an expansive lawn. The yards are fenced. The SkyMor Cypress offers a children's playground that features 4 slides and a climbing apparatus, all installed under a canopy roof. Logo: SkyMor Cypress.